Hello world, hello Tony, how are you today?
DairyFree. Hello guys.
Well, today in Spice Up Soul Kitchen, we want to show you how to prepare an easy and nutritious smoothie to start your day. And we are going to use a special ingredient. What is it?
This is the magic Spirulina. So this is this little green powder here, the dark green. You will find lots of resources online about the benefits of this and the nutrition about these algae. Nevertheless, we would like to raise your attention in this video about the fact that you have to make sure that the product has been sourced properly. So our advice is to purchase the powder in your local drugstore, or if you go online, be extremely careful.
Yeah, try to buy in a trustful brand that you already know.
Yeah, to avoid some pollution or whatever.
Yes, something important is that the taste of spirulina is quite neutral. So to make it more tasty, we are going to use natural sweeteners. We have different options. You can use a banana, but not so ripe. Either the whole date, but you will need to remove the seed, or you can use date paste. To prepare that paste, I'm going to leave you the link at the end of the video because it's super easy to do at home and it has a long shelf life. So let's start with the recipe.
Okay, so we'll start immediately with half a cup of cold water. If you want to add some ice, it's possible also to make it to increase the smoothiness. So basically half a cup. We are going to pour into that the spirulina. We are talking about 2 spoons.
Yeah,
right?
you can use either 1 or 2 teaspoons.
And then half a banana is more than enough to start with. So right there. And depending on your taste, you can add a little bit of date paste. For me, that's going to be half a spoon. That's more than enough, but you can, that's really optional. So we are going to the smoothing process. Blender full speed. We have 2 glasses. Look at this beautiful dark green color. Look at that. Fantastic. And now I hide from you guys a magic ingredient. Okay, so I brought the magic ingredient for you. I like a creamy stuff, and so I pour some coconut milk into that. And you see, I'm not a barista, but we can do something similar. Yeah, let's do. Look at that. So you also have the freedom to add your coconut in the blender itself. Huh? We are done.
Yes, now the time to enjoy.
2 minutes. Teaching.
Cheers.
Cheers. Bye.